two things, right? So first thing is to start, to make the decision to start. And not in the e-commerce side, just to start something. Because if you don't make a decision and actually start, then you might as well be on the couch, right? Either go to the gym or lay on the couch. Have the idea and then actually follow through on it. But keeping it really simple. So put e-commerce to the side for a moment, right? Commerce is what? Willing buyer, willing seller, product on offer, right? Start there. Wherever the network is, that's the first place to start, right? It's really important to have something. Your first sale will validate that thing, right? If you don't get that first sale and you really believe in that idea, keep going until you get that first sale, but time box it, right? And if you don't get it, then it's not the idea. Go to the next one. So first step for sure. When it comes to e-commerce, right, start with something, just really keep it simple. Focus on it being your home online. So if your customers are at Instagram, or your customers are on Facebook, or at a networking event, right, that e-commerce platform should just be a really simple place for them to transact, right? Get them to that place. That's probably the best place to start, is just to get the commerce piece right first, validate that idea, and then jump online. And then how to do that, of course, if you're starting with WooCommerce, which I would of course recommend because it will scale with you as your business grows. You don't want to jump from platform to platform because that's not your business. Your business is whatever you're selling, right? So start with a platform that can grow with you, and then jumping at WooCommerce.com directly. Like, we literally have a page, WooCommerce.com/start, right? It'll guide you through the process. Who are you selling to? What is your business sort of industry? What are you selling to them? And what sort of scale is your business? And it will guide you to the right starting point. To the end of it, you end up with a store.